Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a battery from a Buick Envision. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and cool. Safety is paramount, so gather your essential tools such as a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and crucial safety gear like eye protection and gloves. These precautions help prevent accidents and ensure a smooth process. Remember, always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid electrical shorts. Now let's locate the battery. In a Buick Envision, it's typically found under the hood, often on the right side of the engine compartment, usually beneath a protective cover. Once you've found it, identify the negative terminal, which is marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on this terminal. Carefully remove the cable and ensure it cannot accidentally reconnect, preventing any electrical issues. With the negative cable safely disconnected, it's time to address the positive terminal. This terminal is marked with a plus sign and typically has a red cable attached. Again, use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut and carefully remove the positive cable. Make sure this cable is also secured away from the battery. Next, locate the battery hold-down mechanism, which could be a clamp or a strap, and remove it to free the battery from its tray. Now that the battery is completely disconnected and the hold-down is removed, you can carefully lift the old battery out. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing between 30 and 50 pounds, so lift with your legs. Inspect the battery tray for any corrosion and clean it thoroughly. When installing a new battery, reverse these steps, connecting the positive terminal first. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.